Hey guys, Riley here. Welcome to my new video. This is a review on it's a $40 RGB keyboard and mouse combo. As you can see, it's from Gamdias. Gamdias RS 7 color essential combo. Okay, this is not mechanical. You have 7 colors of green, blue, red, cyan, purple, yellow, and white. Okay, so when we open the box, as you can see, we have the keyboard and the mouse on the right here. So we can just pull this out. Oh geez. Instructions. It's Japanese. Okay, so as a gaming mode, so the Windows key will be non-functional while gaming mode is on, so you don't accidentally smack the Windows key. Consecutive attack mode. Press once to enable the consecutive attack mode. Press again will disable the function. When starting the consecutive attack mode, simply press and hold the key, and then you can continuously fire in the game, providing you an easy operation. Alright, we're definitely going to try this one out, we'll see how it works. Yeah, let's connect it up.
Competition like diseases, he freezes. Coolie man, the one who prays, oh Jesus. So leave us, the tournament is done, you better believe us. The crust is peeling off, the mic is starting to rust. So bust, it's a must, I grab the mic and check it. I wreck it, E-man grab it second and wreck it.
Yo, it's the foreigner, that's never boring. You're slamming to keep you jamming, there is no ignoring the accent. To wake up the flavor, Espanol or English, distinguish the Spanglish I gave ya. Es el Latino, Panameño to be exact. Soy el que vino, I'm the one that came to get fat. Bringing folk from the Caribbeans, taking out the payasos, the clowns and comedians. With my nigga Indians, smoking in the tree. R to the A to the P, the P, the I-N-G.
One little Indian smoking in a tree. R-I-P-P-I-N-G. 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 I'm the incredible, animalistic, vocalistic. Put my hands down to the earth, here the mystic. You missed it, evaporation disappear like this quick.
My estilo's mad rough like a Brillo pad. Enough skills, talento, real smooth como el viento. I be the underrated who created the marinated funk. Some hate it cause they wish they were related.
So there's no software with this keyboard. It's just the buttons. You can also go like this, and it will pulsate through the colors. And you can also set it to go. It will take. You make it take longer to pulsate through. So if you go like this, go down, and it will take longer to go through the colors. It will stay on green for like a minute or something. So we're gonna try the consecutive attack. We got. It says one shot, as you can see. Function plus F11. And then also I noticed when you enable this, your keyboard becomes useless and you can't move. Now you can if you click it again, and it's just fucking useless. You're better off just mashing it. And it's locked again. Oh, I'm typing, my bad. It's all the same. Alright guys, this keyboard and mouse look beautiful. It works, it's a keyboard, as you can see. The consecutive attack mode, that did nothing. It just locked the keyboard, it froze it so you couldn't move. I don't know why, I think it was meant to do that, it was weird. And then when you held it down, it didn't even do anything, so that was useless. This is 42 Australian dollars from MSY, I'll leave a link in the description. It's very cheap, it's probably the cheapest RGB keyboard you can get. But it's just for aesthetics and a keyboard. So yeah, a lot of the modes are useless. But anyways, thanks for watching guys, be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.